I just came home and found my prints have arrived. This is so exciting. This is going to be for a couple of exhibits that I'm doing locally in the next couple of months. So let's go unbox them. Hey there YouTube, Brenda Petrella here, and today I thought I would just share with you a happy moment in my photography career, and that is the unboxing of some images that I've never had printed before. And I'm really excited to see how they turn out. I also wanted to take this as an opportunity to encourage you to go out and print your photos. Pick some of your favorite images and have them printed and see how that turns out. You may find that it really inspires you to go out and do more shooting because you'll feel like you're back in that moment again in the scene where you were inspired to take that shot and you're immersed in the image again. I think this might be one of my favorite prints from this year. It's sort of an abstract landscape. I find it relaxing. This is a fun shot. We were out paddling in the Adirondacks in the St. Regis Wilderness and came across this swim rock that had this swim ladder. And so I took this picture at blue hour of the ladder going down into the water. So if you're a landscape and nature photographer and you're trying to figure out how to make money as a landscape nature photographer, this is one way, and that is take that first step to get your work out to the world so that people can see your beautiful work and hopefully invest in it. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please consider doing it now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks!